This is a very typical question that comes up fairly regularly, and there is no one right answer to this. So consider the following three situations. Firstly, if the product is available and is in a stable state, we can probably think of automation, especially if it's feasible given the various project constraints, the current life cycle, as well as the stage and the budget available. So it would be good to have the test cases automated, especially if we also have to think of testing it from a compatibility perspective. Now, the important thing is that these test cases, ultimately when automated, can be executed parallelly in a very short time frame, and the results can be obtained from that. And we can also test this multiple times over and over again without any human intervention. The second case would be, let's say, if the product is fairly simple and it's possible to add more people to it, and it's just a one-off execution that has to be done, then it wouldn't be wise to do test automation for it, especially if the budget isn't there. So to add more people to it and then train them fairly easily over the product and then executing it in a fairly short period of time. The third situation would be if, let's say, the product is complex and it's not possible to easily train some new people on it, and the automation is also out of the question because of some challenges. In that particular case, what would be beneficial is to prioritize the overall test cases, where the prioritization is done based on the importance of the various features or modules of the product, as well as based on the historical analysis, if available, to kind of point out which are the areas which are more prone to errors or issues. Thank you.